Hey there, boys and girls. Hey, we made it to March, huh? March 1st, day 1. All right, here we are. Number 1. It's almost spring. 23 robins are in the park. Some fly away. Now there are 8 robins. How many flew away? Well, we know how many were started. We know how many started in the park, right? 23. We have some that went away, and there are still 8 robins in the park. So we have a part, we're missing a part, and we have the whole. So that would be a subtraction problem, right? Part, whole. 23 minus 8. More on the floor. Borrow from next door. 13 minus 8 is 5. 1 minus nothing is 1. So because of that, we knew that how many flew away? 15 flew away. Okay? Remember, part, whole. If we know the whole and we know a part, we can subtract. If we know both parts, then we need to add. Okay? All right, number 2. What number is this? 6 hundreds, 17 tens, and 9 ones. Well, first let's go... here's 6 in the hundreds column, right, is 600. And then we have 17 tens, and we have 9 ones. So if we put those all together, our number would be 9, there's a 7, and there's a 7. So 779. Go like that. See if that helps maybe. All right, number 3, we're kind of just reading that. It says, there once was a leprechaun named Finn who said that math made his head spin. Can you help him with math? Set him on the right path. Can you show him, please, how to begin? If you ask me, showing Finn how to begin would be opening it up, grabbing your pencil, giving it your best attitude and your best effort, and that is how you begin. Little by little, it'll get easier and easier. So let's write down yes. Can you show him how to begin? Yes, I can. All right, number 4. Kind of like a little crossword puzzle here, right? So we have down and we have a cross. So first we're going to answer the down, number 1. 2 minus 9, can't do it, so we got to borrow, right? So we got a 6 there. Now it's 12 minus 9, that's 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 6 minus 1. Notice I don't need to borrow from the 6 in the hundreds column now, do I? Right? Because there's more on the top. No need to stop. I don't need to borrow. 6 minus 1 is 5. We only need to borrow if we need to borrow, right? Okay, so our answer going down would be a 5, and then we have a 2, and then a 3. Now working across, 8 plus 1 is 9. We have 4 plus 8 is 12. There's our 2. We got to carry a 1. And 3 plus 3 is 6, plus the 1 we had to carry is 7. So going across now, 2 across would be 729. So our 2 in the middle happened to be in the tens column in both of our problems, right? If it didn't, then we know right away, oopsie, we did something wrong. All right, number 5. Finn has no idea how to solve this problem. Can you show him how to move the equal sign to make the problem easier? Please solve this and explain it to Finn here. So we have 5 equals a number divided by 3. Well, a lot of times the equal sign is on this side, right? So now it's, if we cover that up, it's a number divided by 3 is 5. We can always think of that as our fact triangles. So we have the 3 and the 5. Those are the 2 little numbers at the bottom. We're missing the big one, what starts the problem. So we have to change our division now into multiplication. Okay? So 5 equals a number divided by 3, or a number divided by 3 equals 5, is the same as saying 5 times 3 equals this number. So we're thinking of this problem more like that, right? So we know 5 times 3, 5, 10, 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? Now if we go back to it, is 15 divided by 3 equal to 5? Because remember, doesn't matter where our equal sign is, right? This side of the equal sign has to be equal to this side of the equal sign. They're equal, okay? Awesome. All right. Go ahead. Do your best there. Make your corrections if you need to. And we'll get your corrections made up. I'll check them off, and away we go. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.